Hello, I'm glad you're here. Let's find a quiet space just for a moment. You've been carrying so much for so long. Right now, you don't have to carry anything. Just breathe. Take a gentle breath in and a slow breath out. This time is yours, a small gift of peace in a busy world. You deserve this stillness. Close your eyes if you wish. Feel the support beneath you. You are safe. Let the world fade into the background. Focus on your breath. It's okay to slow down. Let your shoulders drop. This is a gentle pause, not another task. You've been strong for everyone else. Now listen to your own needs. Offer yourself the kindness you give to others. You are worthy of care and rest. Let that thought settle in your heart. There's no need to judge how you feel. All your feelings are welcome here. Today we listen to them with compassion. We won't push them away, just acknowledge them. Let's begin this journey back to yourself, one soft breath at a time. It's a brave and beautiful thing you're doing. Stay with this stillness for a moment longer. Let these words wash over you. My body is healing from exhaustion. I give myself permission to rest deeply. Every cell is being filled with calm, restorative energy. I am allowing myself to be still. My energy is precious, and I am learning to protect it. I deserve to feel rested and well. It is safe for me to feel again. My emotions are not a burden. They are a part of me. I can hold my feelings with tenderness and care. I am allowing warmth and softness to return to my heart. I release the pressure to be constantly productive. My worth is not measured by my output. I value my existence and well-being beyond my accomplishments. I am refilling my own cup first. My well-being is my top priority. I am healing from the inside out. Each slow breath is a step toward recovery. I am strong for allowing myself to be vulnerable. I am worthy of feeling whole again. Let's address the feeling of being stretched too thin. I am reclaiming my time and energy. I can say no when I need to. Setting boundaries protects my peace. I'm in control of my commitments. It's safe to let some things go. My mind deserves peace. I'm releasing the mental clutter of my workload. I can focus on one thing at a time. Good enough is truly good enough. I give myself permission to ask for help. Sharing the load is a sign of strength. My life is more than my work. I am creating space for joy and rest. I'm disconnecting from work at the end of the day. My time is valuable, and I choose to spend it in ways that nourish me. My rest is productive and essential. I am the architect of my own life. I am taking small steps to reduce my stress. I am moving toward a calmer, more intentional way of living. Burnout can cloud our view of the world. I am letting go of negativity and opening to hope. I am finding moments of beauty in the ordinary. My spirit is resilient and knows how to heal. I'm allowing kindness to soften my heart. My body is strong and capable of healing. Every healthy choice is an act of love for myself. I'm releasing chronic stress from my body. I'm becoming stronger every day. My well-being is a priority. I'm worthy of love and connection. I forgive myself for times I've been distant. I am creating space for loved ones. My relationships are a source of strength and joy. I am present with those who matter most. My work is what I do, not who I am. I am reconnecting with my values and what matters to me. I am more than my achievements. I am rediscovering the person I am beneath the stress. My life has purpose and meaning. As we close, gather these feelings of hope. This is a gentle beginning, a new chapter of self-compassion. I am on a path of renewal, embracing patience and grace. I am allowing myself to bloom in my own time. Each day, I take a small step toward balance. Hope is returning to my heart. I accept myself completely, just as I am. My worth is not conditional. I am enough. I am treating myself with compassion. I am proud for taking this time to heal. I promise to be gentle with myself as I recover. I will celebrate small victories and forgive setbacks. My happiness and well-being are my birthright. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, carry this peace with you. When you're ready, gently return to the present. Whenever you need support, return to these affirmations. If this brought you comfort, please subscribe, share with someone who may need it, and revisit these words whenever your heart calls.